Hi, I'm John Buckheit. I'm here with Mike Perrone. We have another training minutes. We have a prop here that simulates outward opening metal doors. And the problem that we're going to try to address today is you're by yourself, you have a hook and a Halligan, and you want to try and get this door. And it's going to be, it's not the preferred way, it's a tough way to do it. Mike initially might try to take the adze, see if the door is really loose. He might be able to force in steadily and pry up and down and maybe get a purchase, but in this instance there's no way, and generally I would say it's really not going to work too good. Not a preferred method at all is he can try to use the hook as a striking tool. He's stabilizing the hook. He's got the hook end of the hook on the ground. He's going to put his heel on that, stabilize it, and drive in with that. I think that's the way Mike prefers. Right. But on the roof, you could maybe use the foot of the hook, drive it into the roofing material, again, stabilize it with the toe of your boot, and use the tool as a striking tool. You're not getting much impact out of this tool. It's a very lightweight tool. So even if you were in the middle of this process and another firefighter came up and they had a Halligan or a maul or a axe, I would stop and allow them to join you, okay? So Mike's going to show us now. He's going to try to gain purchase by using that hook as a striking tool. Go ahead, Mike, start. All right, hold it. He's not making much progress, and I would say that that's probably fairly typical. But he's going to now demonstrate another trick that you could try to possibly get a little more curve here and be able to get the adze of that Halligan in there.
What I want to do is I want to get that leading edge of the door to play over a little more for me, to make it easier to either drive it in or have it play over so much that I don't even need the hook anymore. I can put my adze in and start crushing this door to get this tool beyond it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to beat the door about 4 to 5 inches in this area here.
Yeah, 4 to 5 inches from the leading edge.
Right. What's going to happen is when this front part of the door starts to make its way towards the back end, that edge is normally just going to play over to me a little bit. All I need is a little bit, especially since I have something to hit with to get the tool in. If I just had this, I could do that till the point where I could get this in by myself. But I have that tool with me, so I'm going to hit it enough to give me a little more play and to drive that tool in.
Mike, let me ask you one question. Does it matter if you strike from...
Striking away seems to be better because it's pulling the edge with you. Okay. You know, I've done it that way because I'm left-handed on this side door, and it's worked. Okay. So I'm going to go with that. All right?
All right, let's see how we do.
Okay. See, right away, you got a nice open area right away. All right? At this point, I can use that hook the way I did before to drive me in, but I got so much of an edge here now, I could just start to crush this door by myself here. Okay? Now, I still can't get the adze past that sleeve part of the door that's separated, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to dent it, get it to come towards me. That's it. It's all I need. Now I can get the adze in like that, crush that away, get the tool to the back of the door, work towards each lock. All right? Pushing out, working towards each lock.
So Mike has showed us with some simple techniques and a little persistence, one firefighter by himself with a Halligan and a hook can even get into some of these tough doors. That's been another Training Minute. I'm John Buckheit.
Mike Perrone.
Thanks for watching.